In this video, I will guide you through how to create a brand new Facebook account on your mobile phone step by step. First, I opened the Facebook app from my mobile home screen. After opening Facebook, the login interface appeared. There were two input fields where existing users can enter their login details and sign into their Facebook account. If you want to create a new Facebook account, tap on Create New Account. So, I tapped on Create New Account. Then another screen appeared with two options. Create New Account. Find your account. I selected Create New Account. After that, a new interface opened with two input fields. First name and last name. I entered my first name and last name in the fields. Then I tapped on the next button. After that, another page opened asking for my birth date. I entered my real date of birth according to my official documents. You should also enter your real information for better account security and verification. Then I tapped on Next. Next, another page appeared where I needed to choose my gender. I selected my gender and tapped on Next. After that, another screen opened asking for a mobile number or email address. I selected Sign Up with Email Address. Then I entered my email address in the input field and tapped on Next. Now the Create Password page appeared. Here I entered a strong password for my Facebook account. Make sure you choose a password that is secure but easy for you to remember. After entering the password, I tapped on Next. Then the confirmation page opened. There was an input field where I needed to enter the verification code sent by Facebook to my email address. So I opened the Gmail app, opened the email from Facebook, copied the verification code, and pasted it into the input field. After that, I tapped on Next. Then the Add Profile Picture page appeared. In my case, I tapped on Skip. You can upload any profile picture according to your preference. After that, another page appeared asking for access to Find Friends. This feature helps Facebook suggest friends from your mobile contacts. In my case, I selected Not Now. You can allow access if you want Facebook to suggest friends from your contacts. And just like that, my Facebook account was successfully created. Now you can tap on the Facebook profile icon and complete your remaining profile details to make your account look more professional. And that is how you can create a brand new Facebook account on your mobile phone step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.